Hi, welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make shakshuka. Shakshuka is like a very healthy Mediterranean breakfast. Some people say it may originated in Africa as well. So this was first introduced to me when I first moved to Chicago, and I was in medical school and I didn't really know anybody at that time. So over time, this my friend's mom basically adopted me as their son. Every morning I would sleep over, she would make me this breakfast. So there's a home issue. Unfortunately, she passed away not too long ago. So these are the ingredients that we're starting off today. We're going to thinly slice some onions. If you leave the onion in the fridge for about 30 minutes prior to cutting, it'll help prevent you from tearing up. We're just going to loosely chop up these tomatoes. If you don't have a sharp knife, you can use a serrated knife. It'll also cut as well. I'm going to chop up 2 chorizos, and I'm just going to render the fat on these. Now, if you're health conscious, you want to skip the chorizo and just use olive oil. I'm going to put these onions on shallots on slow heat and slowly caramelize them. Don't rush this step. The caramelization will help bring the natural sweetness of the onions, versus if you were to dump everything all at once, it will still taste good, but you won't get as much in-depth flavor. I didn't season the onions earlier because the chorizo oil has a little bit of salt in it. We're going to add some salt, black pepper, turmeric. Fun fact, turmeric has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, but you want to be mindful if you're taking both NSAIDs and turmeric, such as ibuprofen or naproxen. It can lead to a higher risk of bleeding. We'll add some cumin. A touch of curry. You know what? I'm going to add 1 extra tomato in this dish. Paprika. Feel free to use smoked paprika if you are not using chorizo. We're going to mix this all up and let this kind of simmer for a bit. About 75% of the tomatoes have been reduced. We're going to add in our egg. And we'll cover this up and then let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending how you like your yolk. I personally prefer mine a little runny. Traditionally, this is served with flatbread or pita, but today I have here a homemade bread with whole wheat, oatmeal, and flax seeds.